to secure home insurance for your mortgage. If you took out a loan to buy your home, did you know you need to obtain home insurance? Without insurance, you cannot close the deal. But don't worry. Here, I'll explain how to do it in a simple way. First, I suggest you to start by getting a quote from the same insurance company you already use for your car. Many insurers offer discounts if you have more than one policy with them, which can save you money. It's important to compare different quotes and pay special attention to coverage and deductibles. Once you find the ideal policy, send the quote to your lender. The home insurance is paid for 12 months in advance and will be included in your closing costs, paying it on the same date of the closing. Make sure you send the quote to the lender at least a week before your closing date. This will allow your lender to provide you with the exact numbers of what your monthly payments will be and how much money you'll need for the closing. So, don't wait any longer and start getting quotes for your insurance today.